Hello people, so today we are going to learn how to put text behind a person in Capcut PC. So first thing first, we first need to put a video. You put any video you want. So after put the video on the timeline, you put the text. First click the full text, then you expand the text to fit the video. So on the right hand side, you just fill in the text, any text you want. You can just type in anything you want. So you change the color, the font size. So you just choose something which can be visible on the screen. So I will enlarge the text so that it can fit the screen. Then put the color, any color you want. So what we shall do again, you put the playhead at the start of the text, then you go on transform. You go on transform and you put keyframe. The keyframe will be put at the start of the text. Then on the timeline, you drag the text at the right hand side on the play window. Then here you bring the play just at the end of the text. Then you go on the play window and you drag the text on the left hand side, just as I'm doing there. So you copy the video and paste it at the top and drag the text between the two videos. The text should be between the two videos. Then you click on the top text, go to remove BG and click auto remove. So here to be removing the background from the video. So the video background has been removed. So the text will come out like this, just as you are seeing here. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. God bless you.